Hello everybody. At this moment I want to talking about for my famous people. This person is Barack Obama. Oh yes, Barack Obama. Barack Obama is the 45th president of the United States of America. He is also the winner of the 2009 Nobel Peace Prize. He made history in 2008 when he won the USA president election. For the other form, he is the first African American to be president. Obama's charisma, intelligence, and powerful speech have made him extremely popular with many Americans. This person he has been very successful with his message for change. Obama was born in Hawaii in 1961 to a black Kenyan father and white American mothers. His parents divorced and his mother married an Indonesian man. Barack's family moved to Indonesia in 1967. He attended school in Jakarta until he was 10 years old. When he returns to Hawaii, Obama majored in political science and international relations of Columbia University in New York. In the other hand, Barack Obama, after this topic, for years in New York. Obama moved to Chicago. There he worked as the direction of a community project from 1985 to 1988. He interned Harvard Law School and became the first black president of the Harvard Law Review. Obama taught law at the University of Chicago Law School for 12 years. He became an Illinois senator in 1996. In 1704, Obama was elected as a USA senator. He supported legislation on conservation, energy, immigration, and honest leadership. Obama is currently battling with serious issues such as the economy. He beat Mitt Romney to win a second term in office, despite a poor economic and high unemployment. He thanking others by promising to spend his second term honoring their support, saying, "There's a lot more work to do." This is Barack Obama, my famous popular person. Barack Obama, for me, was the better president of the United States of America. This person is very intelligent, is very polite, is talkative, and his wife is more important in the life here. I talking about these presentations lonely because I I can participate in forum and collaborative work. For personal reasons, I don't know interaction for my partner. Then I want to presentation for these forms. I hope apologize me and accept this tax for these forms. This is my presentation, and I I hope, excuse me please. Thanks.